Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. So there is a breaking news coming through. But Mr. Answer nebe to us no. We have a WhatsApp platform. Now WhatsApp platform, the link not our description box anymore. Opesa join here. It's very simple. Just click on the link and join the WhatsApp platform. Yema now so a bit more in the rules so and say administrators no a year more free munti a kwan kakra bi aba bedem. Mr. Opesa join very very simple. Now breaking news are eba and they said the national organizer of the NPP, I friend Sami Ewuku. This time around, he has again escaped another accident. I think this is the second time Sami Ewuku was escaping accidents just in a month. So, somewhere around 2-3 weeks ago, Sami Ewuku was involved in an accident. Beatrice, Nina, ye not echo hospital, but Bibi Boni Bia Antono. And then so, if you are really following Sami Ewuku and the NPP, you will say one a year northern region. Year campaign and also the wabeya whatever boy a year abino war yet because of what abino na Sami Ewuku eko baby a friend Tulun na our northern region. Sami Ewuku himself with some northern regional executives of a year MPP na one more actress one more escape another accident ewo sa Tulun baby a year Kenya just some few hours ago I mean newo say. It's here for the yatse and say car bakwa na air carry womo PA system a year Tundra na ye ka PA system a trese infidia nipa ekasa ewom trese utumi say ebia ye kobodwa na yakasa na amansani na ate inti ene na efre ni PA system inti car bako na e Tundra sa Tundra na air carry sa PA system no. All of a sudden it just went up in flames in the middle of the crowd. Yes, in the middle of the crowd, because that time no na Sami Ewuku any MPP foi womo akọ ohene no wo womo akọ sra ohene no ewie inti no na womo ayomo adwen se womo akọ gada ewo baby na trese party supporters nso aba ho na womo aba bekasa tre party supporters no inti ye de kan ne ko si ho a womo akọ gada in the middle of the crowd no na trese eja ebe talk kan ni mo a wo bia adwen ho wonte ase se na we nso afiri hi we nso firi hi enye easy Tolon in the northern region station Tolon station say car station eho na dey we esiwo etiefo. So Sami Ewuku, who is the national organizer, the regional chairman of NPP our northern region, and the parliamentary candidate of South Tolon Place, no, both, three of these people, three of them were expected to address supporters now they were expected to address them with PA system na Tundra, a shit Tundra muno. And the vehicle was parked in the middle of the station with supporters and constituents already in attendance to listen to a year Sami Ewuku and the regional chairman. Suddenly, Senya Mekan no eja atoka ni mu na afei nkrofo dwane sei enye easy nkrofo dwane kiki. Sisi amene ka say we don't know the immediate cause of the fire. We don't know the immediate cause of the fire, but it's here for assembly there. Nyankopon do Sami Ewuku Nyankopon do no meaning say Sami Ewuku ne Sami Jemfi ya no mudin na confuse me pa but Sami Ewuku na make na ho asem enye Sami Jemfi communication director for the NDC and Sami Ewuku national organizer for the MPP. These two people are people I like very much because omutu ni na no wamo kasa na me pese metie. In NDC, in conform kasa ya me pese metie 1 Sami Jemfi. So in NDC Sami Jemfi. In MPP, womo kasa ya na me pese metie pan Sami Ewuku na nabi. Intina ya na womudin confuse me intino. Once I was reporting whilst I was reporting if I mistook Sammy Ewuku for Sammy Gyamfi, Mr. Facheme. It confusing me. So the na me no. So Sammy Ewuku, he left the palace. Tolon na within the palace, and he was heading towards the event ground. With few meters away, akaka krana we drew ho, and na kano ejatomu. You see, hey, only menza America senyanko pondon odo Sammy Ewuku no. Tio, he was few meters away from the vehicle and ejatomu. He was about to use that vehicle and the PA system in that vehicle to address the people. No mwagada wo. So imagine, mind you, say nanke ebia wo drew her in time more than timer and I would do her earlier than timer na woko. Nanka adie wo use system no nanka ejano achi kano anato because maybe susu say system no nanka obe use. I don't know how, I don't know whether it will be used in a car or something, but what do you imagine? Because it's here ye nim de cause ye jano ebia na free PA system no ebia na free car nankasa. So you just imagine no say nanka ebia Sammy Ewuku was using this system in ebia the car nanka de we see it here for this is the second time just within a month and Sammy Ewuku be hu say his life has been threatened. The first time ono Sammy Ewuku ne convoy air kwan say moto se den aba be cross obi a we say convoy ko wo be cross o mo se sen se bin pray dia san enye be yisem a air den. But Sammy Ewuku didn't die. He was sent to the hospital bibi boni bi anye no and do 1 week cry and no san so see kwan so bo campaign wo ko yusu PA akaka kra na we du kan ne nchi akwa ko yusu PA system no wo kan ne mu eno ane se eja to kan ne etiefo very serious o me de no intino Ghana Fire Service for and na me no kasai currently CCA they are on site after say wo mo edum ja no but kan na we hu say dere enye easy. But the national organizer, who is Sammy Ewuku, the regional chairman, and the parliamentary candidate, these were the three people that Nanke was a Wamu Yusu system no ekasa. They are all safe. But Seni Adiena, obviously, they were forced to cancel the scheduled event in the town. Answer na Wamu bedu wakra normal visit for other communities or constituency. It's here for. Baby adi yedri. No one knows. Ya can a pager. Obi enim ya a ma can a pager. But Charlie, baby adi na keka koi. Say Sammy Ewuku enim say ebia yemfa say most of these politicians say na omo parents. Eya no mo parents pa na ebia ne maame ene ebo mpaye ma no Sammy Ewuku enim ana wo sofo bia wota ebo mpaye ma no wo ne maame ene ebo mpaye ma na wo obi a wonim openly say de bia ne pako ebo mpaye ma me a Sammy Ewuku enko da san ni pako na ase because me this thing I'm seeing say eye nyankopon ne ma Sammy Ewuku time a wo kodru ho sa time no. Because you see, we drew a few meters away, and he was about to use the PA system in that car to address the people. Yeah, chances Sammy Ewuku aba. Obe yusu car no any sa PA system na addressing Crawford. Imagine, manya mi mensi say nanka wo addressing Crawford na nanka pa car no ablasti. Nanka tie for assemble na ye kwa akoka. Nanka assemble ene ye kwa akoka. Yadanyankopon say he didn't use the like what. Hey, you people are not seeing how serious this thing is. You are not seeing how serious it is. Media. I know Ghana Yawoi. A lot of people will try to win. Hey, is he? Ghana ye will a lot of people try to read politics into this. As same way I'm making news where I'm reporting will be baba be dimatem. Me de be ameka eto de be ameka sama MPP for na yo mo there. Obe hu ne say ana yefa se to de be ameka sama NDC for na yo mo da na MPP for e dimatem. Ya na NDC for hu ne say oh MPP for there atem didie. For about 3 days straight ni me can NDC for a frame edi matemu a enye easy. I have an audio. As our audio no omo a wo mo wa akoko ebi mu to me frame omo mo frame no mo di matema ka ate no. Ebi mu so send me audio. I have an audio right now. NDC ni no we di matem poto. Why? Because my story be a story no ma enkrofo speculate. Say ebia NDC for answer ewo. Meanwhile man kahwe o. Minister story we so amaye enkrofo speculate aka say na melody so this story ya be wo person ya na enkrofo ka say ye NDC for na so won say men kahwe. Men ka say ye NDC for na ye but obi papa be di matem. Misramo sa mo politics na mo de ye nsem no. Sa die we ya esi samie wuku ka ya esi it could be say a fault. Ebetumi abakra say nipa bonifo bi nso na ehiechi. It is not a possibility we will rule out. Hwe picture na da screen so no. Hwe senia eja edere tundra. Untre mo adi comment box ni mo wa me da say.